Student, now look, exercise 4.2, question number 2. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equation, which means there are total 3 equations, 1, 2 and 3. For every equation, student, we need to find 4 different solutions for every equation. Let's have a look how to solve this one. There is total 3 equations, so let's have a look how to solve this. Student, now look how to solve it here. Question number 2, that Roman 1, we need to find out the 4 different solutions. So 2x plus y equal to 7. This is the given question. Now look, 4 different. For x equal to 0, now answer will be what? Look here now, 2 into 0 plus y equal to 7. This will be 0, which means implies I am writing here now y equal to 7 for the first one, which means x equal to 0. Now put down x equal to 1. So 2 into 1 plus y equal to 7. So if it is 2, so 2 will come down here, which means 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5, means y equal to 5. Now x equal to 2. So 2 into 2 plus y equal to 7. 2 to the 4. 4 will come down here, become minus. 7 minus 4, which means 3. Last one, x equal to 4. 2 into 2, sorry, for 2 into 4 is 8 and there is 7. So 8 will be come down here. So y equal to minus 1. So student, if I put down 0, x equal to 0 will get y equal to 7. X equal to 1 will get y equal to 5. X equal to 2, y equal to 3. And x equal to 4, y equal to minus 1. These are the 4 different solutions of the first equation. Now let's start the second one, Roman 2. The Roman 2 will be that pi x plus y equal to pi x plus y equal to 9. So for x equal to 0, then pi into 0 plus y equal to 9, which means this portion is 0. So students, implies y equal to 9 for the first one. X equal to 1, then pi into 1 plus y equal to 9. So next one, this value will come down there. So 9 minus pi. Next one, x equal to 2. So pi into 2 plus y, so 9. And there is y equal to, taking this value on that side, 9 minus 2y is pi. Next one is x equal to 3. Then pi into 3 plus y equal to 9. So y equal to 9, then this value means 3 pi. Look here now student, if x0 y is 9, x1 y is 9 minus pi, x equal to 2 y equal to 9 minus 2 pi, x equal to 3 y equal to 9 minus 3 pi. These are the 4 different values of equation number 2 of question number 2. Student, now look there, question number 2 Roman 3. Question number 2 Roman 3, what is the question here? X equal to 4y. Now look student, for x equal to 0, so 0 equal to 4y, which means this also 0. So implies y equal to 0. Now x equal to 1, so 1 equal to 4y. So if it is 4y, multiplication 4 into y will go and divide. So y equal to 1 by 4. Now x equal to 2, so 2 equal to 4y. Then student, this could be 2 by 4. If it is 2 by 4, then cancellation half will be here. So y equal to half. Now x equal to 3. So 3 equal to 4y. So y equal to 3 by 4. These are the answer. Now look student, x0, then y0, and there is x1, y is 1 by 4, x2, then y is half, x3, then 3 by 4. Student, don't confuse. If the answer of question number 2 from exercise 4.2, I repeat again, if the answers of question number 2 from exercise 4.2 class 9 general maths doesn't match with the book, don't confuse that, because if you put the values for every value of x, there is a value of y, so don't confuse. If you put here minus 1, there will be another value. If you put here minus 2, there will be another value. If you put here minus 5 there will be one more value, so don't confuse. If it doesn't match with the book, don't confuse. This is also correct.